Hey guys, welcome back to Jordan Samuel Skin Talks. Today we're gonna, and now listen, this is nervous. I'm nervous. I'm filming this in the end of April, and by the end of May the new cleanser should be out. This video will be about the new cleanser. I don't have it in hand. I mean, I've had it, but I don't have the finished product in hand. If everything goes well, it should be out now, basically. I'll make sure I'm putting this up at like the last day in May to sort of, and if it's not, it's gonna be like any week or any day now, any week, any day now. But the Matinee Gel Cleanser, will be in a 6 fluid ounce bottle, so it'll be double the size of the original plie size. It is a water-soluble, non-foaming gel cleanser. No fragrance, no essential oils, no aromatic extracts. Aloe vera and glycerin base, gentle surfactants that are buffered back so you get the cleanliness without the foaming and the stripping. Touch of salicylic acid to be slightly anti-inflammatory and lightly exfoliating, but again, you're putting this on and rinsing it off, so it's not going to be your end-all be-all exfoliant, but just a really nice way to just lightly exfoliate and buffer and smooth that surface. Chamomile and cucumber, calm and soothe, some of my favorite ingredients. Obviously chamomile's in the performance cream, cucumbers in hydrate the mist, balm cleanser and hydrate the serum. You have a great coconut-based buffering agent, again, which helps buffer back the drying effects of a foaming cleanser. You have a preservative, obviously. You have a pH adjuster. You have... So I got cut off. I don't know why, actually, because they didn't say, like, you're getting cut off. And then I had a phone call, and I don't even know what I was saying. So, the Matinee Gel Cleanser. So to summarize what I was saying before, it should be out soon if it's not out already. It's something that I wanted to have for I cringe sometimes saying all skin types, but like it really is going to be very close to that because you can use it with lukewarm water, because you can rinse it off, because you can use it in the shower if you need to. You don't need a washcloth. There is no fragrance. There are no essential oils. It doesn't have very stripping surfactants, and they're buffered back, the surfactants that are in there. Normal, combination, oily, acne prone, dehydrated, did I say sensitive? Dry, basically very dry would be the only skin type that maybe couldn't use it, but probably actually could. And again, that's when we'll go into our, you know, customization with our other little boosters that help the cleanser itself. So I think I covered everything that was in it before I rudely got cut off. You have, yeah, I think I covered everything. 6 ounce tube. It'll be sort of just in between the size of the big plie and the medium sized plie, which is not called plie, it's called treatment cleanser. I know. I actually need to stop saying that for people who weren't around possibly when it was called plie, and they're gonna be like, what the hell are you talking about? The after-show treatment cleanser is what I was talking about. Anyway, so this cleanser though will probably be the least multifunctional of the products, which isn't a bad thing. It's just, it's truly a cleanser. Because there are surfactants, I don't necessarily want you to leave this on, well, I don't want you to leave this on as a mask like you would with the treatment cleanser or the balm cleanser. However, you can still add things to this. You're not going to be adding like the moisturizer. But if you are feeling a little dehydrated and you feel like you just need a little bit more with the cleanse, you can add a pump of the hydrate serum into the cleanser. Again, you are going to be washing this down the drain, so be conscious of the fact that you don't want to waste this precious goodness. I don't want to say waste, that's rude too, because there is going to be the hyaluronic acid, the aloe, the glycerin, which you're just adding to that. The aloe and glycerin is more concentrated in this, obviously. The tamarind, the passion flower, the cucumber. You're just adding like a high percentage of these hydrating, soothing ingredients into the cleanser, which will help hydrate the skin and make it even a gentler cleanse if you are a more extremely dry skin type. You could also emulsify a little bit of the oil in too. Same thing to sort of have a hybrid oil, gel, jelly, milky cleanser that it creates. So you could do those two things. But again, It's going to be very straightforward. It's not necessarily going to be your makeup remover. However, if you are an oily skin type and don't want to use oil cleansers, you can use the same cleanser, so you can use the Matinee Gel Cleanser twice to remove makeup and then to cleanse the skin. You just will need to do it twice thoroughly, one time using a washcloth to remove it. It's not going to break through and melt down everything right away like the treatment cleanser or the balm cleanser would. But with those two cleanses with the same cleanser, it still will get your skin clean and makeup removed. For everybody else, you can start with the treatment cleanser or the balm cleanser, have that be your great oil cleanse, melt down your SPF, makeup, dirt, and grime, remove with a washcloth, and then follow up with that water-soluble Matinee Gel Cleanser to remove everything else off, leave the skin perfectly cleansed, not stripped, not with any surface dryness or dehydration, and ready to accept any serums and treatment products afterwards. So it's super fabulous. The reason it is called the Matinee Gel Cleanser is because it is the perfect daytime AM cleanser. Wake up in the morning, need a really light, really gentle cleanse that's not gonna, you know, foam and froth and strip and dehydrate and or be this full step of an oil cleanser with the washcloth and the whole thing. So it's much more straightforward and much more meant much more for, sometimes I don't know the words that come out of my mouth, for an AM daytime cleanse. The Matinee Gel Cleanser. It'll be here soon. I hope you guys love it. I love it. I'm actually like so angry right now because I begged the lab for multiple samples of it to use on myself. And I'm all out of those, and I think there's still about a week and a half left from when I'm filming this until I just finished it, until I get, so I'm like panicked. I'm panicked. But you'll love it. Non-foaming, water-soluble, daytime second cleanse, or if you're oily skin, both cleanses, gel cleanser, cucumber, chamomile, aloe, glycerin, gentle surfactants, salicylic acid, and a coconut buffering ingredient to keep the surfactants down. It is lovely. It's in a tube. It'll be sealed just like treatment cleanser is and performance cream is. And you can pop in if you're very dry and you need a little bit of hydration. You can pop hydrate in for your cleanse, or a little bit of Etoile in with your cleanse. You guys will love it. Again, rosacea prone sensitive skin, great because you don't need to use a ton of heat. You don't need to use the muslin cloth or a washcloth. You can just simply rinse and remove with a lukewarm or a cool water. And yeah, you guys will love it, I promise. And it'll be here soon if it's not here already. So that is it. I think I covered every single product that is in the line currently this month and gave a little sort of how to mix and match, how to use, who should use it, what ingredients are in it. I hope you guys loved it. We did a little Q&A. And so happy May, it's gonna be June. Oh my God. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're well and hope you're excited for the summer. Wear your SPF. Bye guys. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the black JS circle down below so we can stay in contact and keep talking. To watch more videos, you can click on the link here, or possibly here. Thanks for watching. Bye.